Vice Principal, and respected teachers, and my dear brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Adil Khan, and today I am here to tell you about the role of education in eradicating corruption. I am here today to tell you about a disease that has plagued our nation for far too long, a threat to the very fabric of our society, and that is corruption, corruption, and corruption. It is a cancer that has infiltrated every aspect of our society, from the highest hierarchies of power to the smallest villages. It is not just a moral issue. It is a political, economical, and a social issue as well. Some statistics laid out by the Corruption Perception Index that Pakistan is ranked 133rd out of 180 countries. On the basis from Human Development Index, Pakistan is ranked 164th out of 195 countries. Why? Why is Pakistan ranked so high? Why? All these talents, all these amazing talents here today, and all the talents in Pakistan, why is Pakistan ranked so high? What is the reason for that? Even with all these talents, Pakistan is ranked so high. Corruption. Corruption is the reason for that. Corruption in Pakistan has led to a staggering 50% of its population living below the poverty line. Billions and billions of rupees meant for development projects, healthcare, schooling system, and education were siphoned off or stolen by corrupt officials, leaving our people to suffer. A poor man is forced to pay bribes for basic needs and services, while the rich continue to amass wealth. Some of the primary reasons why corruption thrives is due to the lack of accountability, weak institutions, and those in power using their influence to silence whistleblowers. Corruption is not just the problem of the elites anymore. Corruption is a cultural issue that permeates in every level of society. From traffic police demanding bribes to hospital staff extorting money, corruption has become normalized. Corruption has become the norm. Just like Martin Luther King Jr. once said, the biggest tragedy humanity can face isn't